if you've got one of these SpaTouch touchpads, they are great. They light up, they give you good displays and all the rest of it. But also now they're getting to the age where a few of them are failing. And yeah, that's a bit of a problem, because actually the Balboa retail price in Australia is $999 plus GST, so they're about $1,100 for the touchpad. So yeah, bit of technology in that. What we are doing now, the new SpaTouch has just come out, and these are supposedly a bit more robust. As you can see, much larger screen. That one's a bit closer, put him back there. A much larger screen on it, and it really lights up like a TV screen. They're really good. Similar sort of functions, similar operating as what they are, but a bit more robust is the plan. Ones like this particularly didn't like being left out in the sun. This one wasn't in the sun, but it's died as well. When they die, they tend to just start to freeze up and jam up, or maybe you can't get to the back menus and things like that. They just start to lose function. And let's be honest, people sort of run them as long as they can. But when you replace it, it is just a matter, I've got this control panel open down here, but this is the plug here for the controller. Sometimes I'll plug onto the board in a Balboa system. This one's just plugging in through that lead. So it's a nice plug and play to switch over. Contact me, PoolnSpa service, if you have got a SpaTouch which is playing up. A lot of times it'll actually cause problems with the system when it goes to, because there is a bit of brains up there in amongst all that circuitry that's in there. So if you've got, you know, the pump running from ready to rest or something like that, that can be a cause that a new touchpad will fix as well. So these are the new guys, a little bit more robust, supposed to be the way to go. Same price, exactly. You can still get these if you want to buy one exactly the same, or this is this pretty similar cutout, or really it's the same. I had to enlarge this one a little bit, but a similar cutout for the new SpaTouch. I'll turn it on for you. See, it's lovely and bright, and the screen size, you can see it's just so much bigger than this guy. So that's how it starts up, and we go back to the normal screen. Let's come out with error code 40 there, simply because there's no water in this bar, as you can see, so it doesn't want to run. So I'll turn that off. But that's how it is, and you get through to your settings and set the time and all that sort of stuff. So of course I should have mentioned, I sell these at a discounted price. Post them anywhere in Australia or New Zealand, so if you've got a SpaTouch that's carked it, look me up and I can send you one, and you can put it in yourself, or if you're in the Melbourne metro area, then contact me and I'll be able to help you out. So just Google PoolnSpa service, link is in the description of this YouTube video. Okay, have a great time.